What's the next supercar for you?
Ooh, I don't know at this point. Like the SVJ was a dream of mine, and yeah, I accomplished that not too long ago. And I know everyone talks about Bugattis and stuff like that, but I honestly, I don't even I don't even have that dream yet for a Bugatti or something like that. SVJ was kind of like the top of where I was dreaming. So I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna be happy with that for the next few years at least.
Yeah, Bugattis are like $1 million, right?
Oh, the ones that the guys are buying now are like 4 or 5.
Holy crap!
Yeah,
that's more than a mansion.
Yeah, like the SVJs are up there. They're about $1 million now. Yeah.
Yeah, when it comes to that point, I'd rather have like a mansion or.
Yeah, I did that already. I had a big house. I had a basketball court.
Oh yeah,
putting green, pool, all that stuff. I built all that before I decided to do Airbnb. We were in our pool in September in Toronto, and it was cold. And that was me and my wife looked at each other. We're like, do you want to move to Texas? What are we doing here anymore?
Yeah.
Both of our businesses are like online, and we can do our investments passively. I was flipping homes and stuff like that. So I was like, we can do this from anywhere in the world. Like, why are we staying here? Like, let's go somewhere warmer. So it's basically Florida, Texas, or Arizona was on our list.
Nice. Yeah. I think you'll like Miami.
We do. And we've only been there for 6 months, but I've already made so many amazing connections. Like the networking there, the car scene, there's so much money there. Everyone's hustling. Like we really enjoy it. And we actually had a few of our friends relocate from Canada to there as well. So that kind of pushed us from Texas over to Miami. It was like, well, let's go see how we like it there first, because we know some people already.
Yeah,
right?
Texas is a slower vibe, right?
It's definitely a lot slower. It has a lot of pros as well, but Miami just outweighed, in the pro category for us right now where our life is.
Yeah, Miami for me, the cons are scams and weather. Yeah. But other than that, the networking's great, good young energy, food is great. Yeah. You're close to fly to other countries.
That was a big thing for us too. We love to cruise.
So, I'm going on one out of Miami next month.
Yeah, it's the easiest to cruise out of. Like you said, you can fly to everywhere out of it. It's very easy. It's affordable.
Yeah.
Our family's coming from Toronto too, so it's a lot cheaper from Florida to Toronto versus Toronto to Texas.
Yeah. What's the best cruise line in your opinion?
I've done Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and MSC, and we like Carnival, the newer Carnival ship. Carnival has a very bad rep, but
that's what I thought. Yeah.
We love the Celebration. It's an amazing ship. It's newer, and Royal Caribbean's great too. We've done Wonder of the Seas. We're gonna do Icon of the Seas soon as well. The big boat that they got. But yeah, they're both good.
I would have never expected Carnival.
Neither would I. But I think the bad rep is from the cheaper boats. Like the older boats.
So they have levels of...
Yeah, the Celebration is their newest boat. And the newest boats are always going to be the most expensive of any cruise line, right? Because they have the newest amenities, the newest restaurants.
Yeah, I'll send you a site that gets you 90% off cruises, by the way. Yeah? Yeah. You got to wait, though. So it only pops up like a couple weeks before. Yeah. So if you're flexible, it works.
So I actually don't pay for my cruises.
Really?
Yeah, and Carnival gives great offers. All you got to do is gamble a little bit.
Whoa. So you kind of pay in a way.
You do pay in a way, but you can win. There's lots of ones that I went on where I've left with money and still get free cruise offers.
So if you go on a cruise and gamble, how much do you have to gamble to get offered a free cruise?
Every cruise line is different, and they work on a point system. So someone actually told us about this on one of our cruises not too long ago, and then we started to get offers. So Carnival, I usually bring like $2,000-3,000 with me.
Oh, that's it?
Each, yeah. And depending, it doesn't matter if you lose it or you leave with money, you still rack up the points. And that's how the system works, right?
Holy crap.
So they offer me free balcony rooms, $500 free play, free drinks throughout the whole ship for the whole.
Jeez.
Yeah, so they're good offers.
I'm gonna see if my cruise on Virgin coming up has a casino. If they do, I'll bring a couple thousand.
Yeah. Because once you establish with the cruise line, like they just send offers like crazy to get you back.
You can also status hack in Vegas. So if you have like a good card here, you could status match, and then Carnival will offer you a free cruise.
Yep.
And then there's the status matching game is
That's
nuts.
what I did too originally, because we cruised with Royal for the first couple times, and I sent them my play to Carnival.
Smart.
And then they gave me some offers.
Yeah. No, so people sleep on status matching. I've done it with airlines, with hotels.
Yeah.
I get the highest status right away without spending any money.
That's crazy.
Yeah, there's a site that tells you like what status matches you could pull off. Like if you have an Amex Platinum, you can status match with hotels.
Huh. Yeah, that's good to know.
I'm all about travel hacks, man.
Yeah, I have so many Amex points, but I don't know how to use them.
Dude, so you could get 5x on that. Isn't that crazy?
How would I go about doing that?
So you transfer it to a specific airline, and they'll likely have a deal at least once a year where you could do 5x points on that.
Yeah.
So I'm flying to Egypt this year, and someone told me how to do it, and it saved me like 5 Gs.
So I heard using it for like far trips like Dubai, Egypt and stuff, that's where you maximize the points when you get the first class or whatnot of the business.
Yeah, you got to see if the airline has an offer, and then if they do, you just transfer it to the airline's website.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
Yeah,
and you can buy status.
How to do it because like I've just been racking them up and I want to spend them.
No, I was such an idiot. I spent 1 million Amex points on a Cancun all-inclusive vacation. And that was probably the biggest mistake of my life.
Yeah, I was going to say, because I can probably get you like 10 Dubai flights.
I know. Like it was such a waste. Whenever I tell credit hackers that story, they cringe.
Oh, yeah. It takes a while to build up 1 million points, too.
But you could also buy United 1K status on Cobalt for like $400.
Really?
Yeah. So I buy that, skip all the lines. I board first. And then you can match the 1K status to every other airline.
Okay. I'm going to have to hit you up. On,
I'll send you the site. That. I'll link it below. It's a little travel hack for people watching this. Sure.
It's always good to know.
Yeah. What are you working on next, man? Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.